Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on the PlayStation Store. First, take out your phone and open the Klarna app. Make sure you are logged into your Klarna account before continuing. Once the app opens, look for the gift cards section. Use the search bar at the top and type PlayStation gift card. After you find the PlayStation gift card option, tap on it to continue. You will now see different PSN gift card amounts available. Choose the exact amount you need for your PlayStation purchase. Once you choose the card amount, continue to checkout directly inside the Klarna app. During checkout, Klarna will show the available payment plans for your purchase. Depending on your account and region, you may see options like pay in 4 or longer payment plans that can last up to 6 weeks or even more. After completing the payment process, the digital PSN code will be delivered instantly. In most cases, the code will either appear directly inside the app or be sent to your email address. You can use the code right away on your PlayStation account to add funds and complete your purchase on the PlayStation Store. Thanks for watching.